So what is a half adder? Well, a half adder is a logic circuit, and it takes in two inputs A and B, and what it does is it generates the sum and carry values that you generate when adding those two inputs together. So I'm going to show you by abstracting the half adder idea. So here's our black box, and I'm just going to write half adder, and we've got two inputs, A and B. And inside the half adder box, we're going to be adding those two numbers together and generating the sum, but also generating the carry value. So if we have a quick example, if we said that A was 1 and B was 1, if we fed that into the half adder, then if we do a little bit of quick Boolean calculations, so 1 plus 1 in Boolean is 1, 0, because that is 2 in Boolean. What we're expecting to get out is 0 for the sum, because that's the result for that column, if you like, and 1 for the carry bit. Okay. So on the next slide, I'm going to show you how the logic circuit is put together so that you can get those two answers. So here's the logic circuit for the half adder. And what I've done is on the left, I'm going to have the logic circuit in yellow, and on the right, I'm going to have the truth table. So just to show you how we build up the half adder, I'm going to create the truth table first, just using simple Boolean addition. Okay. So for example, 0 and 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, okay, or 1, 0. Okay, so what I did there was I just left out the zeros in the carry column. I'm going to fill it in a second, but just to show you, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 for that column, and then we're carrying the 1 to the next column on the left. Let's just fill in the rest of those zeros. Now, if we look at the column for the sum, okay, what logic gate do we need to use to get A and B to give us that result? Well, the answer is that we need to use an XOR gate, so that only a single 1 will give us an output of 1. If there's two 1s in the input, then the XOR gate will give us a 0 for the output. And that's what we want. So I'm going to add that to the logic circuit. And so this gives us the sum. Next, what we want to do is we want to somehow get this result for the inputs A and B for the carry. And so 0 and 0 should give us 0, 0 and 1 should give us 0, 1 and 0 should give us 0, and 1 and 1 is the only inputs that should give us the result of 1, which means that this is an AND gate. So to add this to our logic circuit, we just have to take a little break off from A and B and feed it through the AND gate. And this is the carry. And that's your half adder logic circuit.